Kwa ihinda mihang'o ya igoti irambire kurugama, maabithaa kuma wabici ya thitango cia muingi na wabici ya DCI makiorotaniriria ciara. Maya mothe maracungiriirio ni kwaga gwa fairo ya thitango CIRA-INI uria ugumeire Father James KAMAU KAIRU akirekana kuhahama kairitu ka ukuru wa miaka 13 ende ona thutha wa gukinywo igoti-ini riri gutirari na fairo ya thitango ici.
It has been a cat and mouse game. Yes, at the DCI office. He's told, come this day, you will take the plea this day, we come. The file is not brought in court. This is the third time actually.
Probably there was the IO had taken the cash bail from him, but what we can do is that if he goes back with his own cash bail, the ones that he was given before, then he'll come back later and sort it out.
Not be able to answer that, but what she said was that she had given some conditions on this file that need to be fulfilled.
Was that communicated to the defense counsel and the accused so that then they are not brought to court unnecessarily?
That is what we told. That's what she has told us, that unless those conditions are fulfilled.
Maya mothe makihanika, Father James KAMAU areroragira o ahoreire umwe wa mawakiri a mwena wa thitango agitariria ati wabici ya ODPP ikoretwo ikimakungiria wara na itanya ria gucerithiria mwikuirwo gwitika thitango.
It's the first time we are appearing in court, and the fact that they have not brought even the charge, they have not made the effort to bring that charge sheet in court is what we are saying. It reads mischief. It's not yet ripe for charging. As such, Your Honor, I'll be asking the accused.
Akioneka kurakario ni ngucanio ya honge ici ciere, MUCIRITHANIA STELLA ATAMBO augite ni giconoko kinene kuona maabithaa aya makiaga guthingata cira uyu uria kwagiriire.
So this should never happen again. Just put your house in order. The judiciary, or as a judicial officer, there is no way of knowing which accused person is being brought before you and which one is not ready to be brought before you, because we rely on the system to get the charge sheets across to us.
Atambo oho agitumura ciuria cia uria mwikuirwo arakinyitio igoti-ini gutari na fairo iria cirabatarania.
Because if you don't have the charge sheet and you're the prosecutor in my court, then where would the judiciary get the charge sheet? So I will allow that we place aside, but not too long, because remember we have counsels on record and they've been here since morning. I would really want to know what is going on, because when she says we have appeared separately, she has not appeared before this court.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.